If you're seeing error fetching channel list for account on YouTube, here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom and force close the YouTube app or close your browser tab. Then reopen YouTube and try again. Step 2. Tap your profile icon, then switch account. Try selecting another Google account, then switch back to the one with the error. Step 3. Go to Settings, then to Apps, then to YouTube, then to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you're using a browser, clear your cookies and site data for YouTube. Step 4. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and install any available updates. Step 5. Tap your profile, scroll down, and choose Sign Out. Then sign back in with your Google account and check if the error is gone. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.